While many Canadians consume gluten-free products due to health issues such as gluten allergies, there is also a large portion of the population that does so for dietary reasons. Gluten-free baking doesn't mean losing taste or indulgence. In fact, you can enjoy delicious, rich, and buttery treats that you would never know are gluten-free. So today, we are sharing a shortbread-based recipe, and to make it easy, we are using a packaged shortbread. In 1898, Joseph Walker's shortbread made its debut, and he was committed to providing the world's finest shortbread. For 120 years, Joseph Walker, his family, and their employees have been making their baked goods from the highest quality ingredients. Walker's gluten-free shortbread contains a blend of rice, maize, and potato flours instead of wheat. It still has the same pure, buttery taste as original Walker's shortbread does, to maintain the taste Walker's shortbread eaters have come to know and love. So, for a light, fresh treat, you can either use Walker's Lemon Ginger gluten-free shortbread or plain gluten-free shortbread to create the crust for the mini lemon cheesecakes. Just combine melted butter and crushed shortbread and press into the bottom of a greased muffin pan. Combine cream cheese, eggs, sugar, lemon juice, and lemon zest. Mix these ingredients until they are smooth. Pour into the muffin pan and bake at 350 degrees. Once cooked and cooled, zest more lemon peel onto the cheesecakes and top with mini lemon wedges for extra freshness and a beautiful presentation. For the full recipe, visit healthandfamily.ca/lemon cheesecake. Special thanks to our friends at thisvivaciouslife.com for this gluten-free recipe.